What's the meaning of base? Base. Base.
Base. Base. The word base can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to the fundamental or underlying support or foundation of something. It can be used as a noun to refer to a solid surface or bottom on which something rests, or as an adjective to describe something that is fundamental or essential to a particular structure or system. For example, in mathematics, base refers to the number used as the foundation for a numbering system. In chemistry, base refers to a substance that reacts with an acid to form a salt and water. Overall, base is a versatile word with various applications in different fields.